Next one. Oh, very, very interesting concept. Key points. Listen carefully, sir. Key points. Very, very interesting key points. Key points. Listen carefully, sir. Key points. First key point. HCF of 4,8. HCF of 4,8. It is 4. Listen carefully to this concept, sir. HCF of 4,8. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. If the given numbers both are divisible by k, answer should be divisible by k. For example, next one. HCF of 15 and 25. It is 5. This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. If both are divisible by 5, answer should be divisible by 5. If the input, please write down, sir. If the inputs are divisible by k, if the inputs are divisible by k, outputs are also divisible by k. Outputs are also divisible by k. In HCF problems. Very, very interesting concept. Next 10-15 minutes, we will try to solve HCF by common sense, not by using any logics. If the inputs are divisible by k, outputs are also divisible by k. In HCF related problem, HCF of 6 and 9, 6 is divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 3, answer should also be divisible by 3. All the inputs should be divisible by k, then the output will be divisible by k. Two simple examples. I will not go beyond 5th class and I will solve original exam questions from HCF. Original exam questions from HCF. Lot of students are finding it very difficult, but actually very, very easy questions it is. Now see here. First question. Listen carefully, sir. First one. HCF of 420, 1782. If the first option it is true, if this is divisible by k, if input one number is divisible by k, 20 is divisible by 4, input all the numbers should be divisible by 4, then only answer will be divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. So 4 cannot be the answer. If 4 cannot be the answer, how come 8 will be the answer? How come 8 will be the answer? What is the third key point? HCF of 2 even numbers, it is an even number. HCF of even numbers, it is an even number. HCF of even numbers, it is an even number. How come 7 will be the answer? 5 seconds logic to solve. Next 4 to 5 are original exam questions. But only thing is you should know a thorough understanding of HCF. Then you will be able to solve the problems. LCM and HCF almost close to 8.5 hours. We discussed the LCM and HCF in our CAT paid batch. We spend a lot of time. If you ask my CAT students, last 1 month, almost the number of sessions will be close to 35 or 36 plus. Again, I am explaining. In HCF related problems, all the inputs are divisible by k. Output should be divisible by k. If the answer is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. So 4 is out. 2 even numbers HCF, it cannot be an odd number, out. If it is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? If a number is divisible by 6, then it is divisible by 3. If it is not divisible by 3, how can it be divisible by 6? First option out. Second option. Listen very logically, 5th class. If the first option it is true, it is divisible by 10. All the inputs should be divisible by 10. This is divisible by 10. This is divisible by 10. Any number divisible by 10, unit digit should be 0. It cannot be out. If a number is not divisible by 10, how can it be divisible by 20? It is out. 15 is 5 into 3. 5. It is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5, divisible. Satisfying. 3. Sum of the digits divisible by 3. 4 plus 9 plus 5 divisible by 3. 9 plus 8, 17. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 17 is not divisible by 3. It cannot be. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. I hope it is clear. Then I will give a table. 1680 and 3600. This is 3 into 100. 3 into 100. This is divisible by 100. Inputs all should be divisible by 100. This is divisible by 100. Any number divisible by 100. Last two digits should be divisible by 100. 300, it is out. 180, it is 9 into 20. Answer is divisible by 9. 9 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. This is 9. 1 plus 6 plus 8, 15. It is not divisible by 9. 140, it is 7 into 20. Answer is divisible by 7. All the inputs should be divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 28. Yes. 3600, not divisible by 7. Out. What is the only option? 240. What is the only option? 240. I hope it is clear. In our paid class, we discussed in detail HCF problems. How HCF problems can be solved? One is factor method. One is factor method. Another is, all these problems we discussed in detail. Another is factor of difference method. Factor of difference method. Factor of difference method. Another is congruence modulo theorem. Everything we discussed. Non-enrolled students, I am just giving you an various ways to solve congruence modulo theorem. Next is minimum difference method. You should know all this. Minimum difference method. Minimum difference method. Then it is, fifth one is HCF of A power n plus or minus B power n model. HCF of A written K times, A written P times. A written P times. And the next one is divisibility rules usage in HCF. Divisibility rules. These are the 6 ways to solve HCF based problems. HCF based problems. Factor method, factor of difference method, congruence modulo method, minimum difference method. There is a drawback in method 1, then I went to method 2. There is a drawback in method 2, so I went to the minimum difference method. Then congruence modulo theorem, usage of congruence modulo theorem on method number 5. Definition of a factor is it should be divisible. It divides every other number. So divisibility rule. I hope it is clear. To all the students who are asking for the paid batch, you can download CareerWell app. In case if you want to join the live class batch, download the CareerWell app. Go to the category CAT. You can purchase entire CAT batch, which is quant and LRDI and verbal, or you can purchase only quant and LRDI or CAT verbal. You can do anything. This for you, Saurav. This for you. You can download CareerWell app. ANIL NAIR classes in association with CareerWell app is running special live classes for the Asia's toughest examination CAT course. This is the process to follow. These are the 6 rules. Do you know these 6 rules? If you do not know all these rules, you might probably fumble. There is a way to solve aptitude problems. Don't solve it in a kachara way, sir. Solve thousands of problems, you will not be good in aptitude. Solve hundreds of problems and understand which method to use. Second will always defeat first one. Second one. Another question. HCF of 750, 6,300 and 18,900. Now let me take for example 180. 180 is 9 into 20. Answer is divisible by 9. Question, all the numbers should be divisible by 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 5, 12. 3. It is not divisible by 9. 9 into 20 out. 210 it is. 7 into 30. Answer should be divisible by 7. 189, 727s are. 750, it is not divisible. Out. 170, it is 17 into 10. Answer should be divisible by 17. 17, 750, 17 fours are 68, 70. No. Very easily you can say why these answers are wrong and why this answer is right. I hope it is clear. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.